I went back to the area of craggy grass and found this beautiful specimen. Yes, it's scrappy looking lawn, but a treasure trove of botanical gems. Anyway, tried to paint the shadow first in this one, and then I blotted up excess liquid because I should have really let it dry in between layers here. But anyway, a lot of stuff going on there, a lot of enticing details, and so I was just taking my time and trying to capture all those wonderful tiny leaves and the graceful petals or blades of whatever that plant is. And it's coming out okay. It's kind of confusing to do the shadow first. I don't know why I did that, just for the heck of it. Worked out once very nicely, but in subsequent attempts, it came out kind of like this, very confusing. Anyway, wasn't going to paint every single one of those things, but did paint enough to get the idea.